The Protector is the fourth model in our line, built in the USA with above-average security and fire protection at a great value. Security starts with a solid locking system. It is equipped with our 5-to-1 patented rack and pinion gear drive for smooth, secure locking. Featuring a half-inch door edge thickness by combining the 10-gauge outer jacket with the quarter-inch inner steel plate. Along with the 316 body, the Protector is tougher than most safes in its class. The Protector's door and body are also lined with Type-C fireboard for reliable heat resistance. It has a fire rating of up to 1700 degrees in 2 hours, safeguarding your valuables from high temperatures. Other standard features of the Protector include traditional graphics, hinge caps, and a door organizer with 4 door holsters, not to mention the greatest warranty on the market. Lights, jewelry cabinet, and crane hinge are available on any Fort Knox model, as well as any exterior color, lock, fabric, or graphic. The bundle package combines our most popular features, offering a convenient upgrade, saving you time and money. Go to ftnox.com to build your Protector today.